What's up, guys? Your boy Casey, I'm here with
Okay, Zana.
you, sir.
Yes, Ashki.
We're back again with another reaction video. Another one. Only 10 midnight meditations. Hey, 2 minutes of it. Hey.
But midnight meditation sounds like it sounds like it's not supposed to be too long. But I see that pakati futhi kati true neza. Inenge no deep so futhi.
Okay, let's hear it. I'm gonna go to Sikis. I was nothing go to deepisa, but again, mix of the vibe, what
the mix.
Yeah. So please don't. Yeah. I mean, I think let's get straight into the song.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe, so members, comment down below what's your favorite song on the album, sir.
Let's go.
In a meditation.
Right, that was what I see with the pizza.
Because guys. All right, get in.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
G. Hey, 10. I'm troubled. Every time I speak to myself, lost up. I lost all my people in my health. I struggle with trust, though, cause really I can't tell if these niggas will not end up messing with my wealth. And my mind is moving really loose on the blunts. All my guys moody and they will steal your lunch. We got chased away, put my power, put my dance. Control your anger, hey, will never hit you out of my scat, no. I doubt you'll ever meet a man that's always high as me.
The bit.
And I'll go to
That floor.
And I'll go to Zarugita. Beat you days.
Arungotambira pamusoro. Fambira pamusoro.
Aruyazofamba naro.
Fambira pamusoro pemvura.
Right.
Yera ita wadonzwa mabhazi manje mukomana.
Control your anger, hey, will never hit you out of my scat, no. I doubt you'll ever meet a man that's always high as me. My anger's got me sitting here quietly. Once I made my meditations, my eyes are looking Asian while I'm exercising patience. Shakaondas on the soda, for example. Panepana on the poster, city random. Panepana on the phone, I'm gonna my custom. Tikati anti, divoche my cancel. Kumatingalingali, I think I'm.
Ngufuna ngemakastoma ndikati handidi kuchema kanzo. Zeke kazuwa kanzira donza kumana rukanzo.
Awachimai.
Azotanzwa kumana ngoni poster random. Akuflex it's okay.
Ngema custom tikati anti divoche makanzo kumatingalingali atingamwe custom tika samwati tichaterwa nezvidomu ya kumachechu vari kunwa petu vari kudhuma vari kupfuta kana chegumi vari kuruma vari kudzima kana kenduru tukana na Matthew tsamanyanga sounds like he isitiriwe rakatakagadzwa tafadzo isitiriwe drama rakatadza marapa pazaka ndakabva ndakachaji 3 years later
ndakazvatongoza kuti ndofungidza chii anofungidza 5+5
10.
The beat.
Yeah.
Beat ndofungidza that those
Exactly.
only by the open break.
Yeah. Uraya.
Nothing stops at him because he got negative comments on that song, but I have admire. Muchida Singadi. I will bring that sound to you, and you will like it because that is what I'm feeling.
Pombo mention out here, the guy is versatile. Anokwana kwese all the sounds. Tatungumiro tangu resungura. Ndosasara. Anogona zviita.
Trapsu.
Afano feature na tanto wave.
I know very bad.
Afano feature na tanto wave.
Badman thing, yeah.
Afano feature na tanto wave.
Triwe drama rakatadza marapa pazaka ndakabva ndakachaji 3 years later ndakakakata majapo pagazi. Before the rap thing takaedza breakdance. Before the big beats takamedza nematanks. I used to daydream ndakachekera mclass. Musayuze face cream inokonzera mapads. That's okay.
That's it here. I've had that song one. It's now violence.
Yeah, boys were handiti nezoti chipo emafaira. Zviya kunzi musayuza face cream nokonzesa mapads.
Atruki.
Right. I think tofanita podcast because ndine topic I know about using bleacher and stuff. And I think we have to address that. It's fine. Don't want to tuba.
Inobata wakati one day.
Anyways, nyarare.
One day.
Tukwadzisa kasene nazvo.
ndachekera mplus musayuze face cream inokonzera mapadzi atsuke kumapawa uku vari kuwadza chakwara vari kurusa mari kunge atana mutambara vari kududza hari yakanyanyisa
mari kunge atana mutambara. Bar. That's a bar. I mean, like, that's the hardest bar I've heard.
Muzongi.
That's a bar.
Apatonge patara vanhu 2 guys.
Aiwa, that's we're gonna play in words. Aiwa, kuti ipinde mrhyme scheme baba.
It's fine.
Kuti ipinde mrhyme scheme. Monyepe.
It's okay.
Mombe.
Oh, uyu.
Mombe.
Uyu. We are fuck up here, to be honest.
Mombe.
It's okay.
musayuze face cream inokonzera mapadzi atsuke kumapawa uku vari kuwadza chakwara vari kurusa mari kunge atana mutambara vari kududza hari yakanyanyisa kusakara vafundutsa mwari paashaya kana manda amusodi marashaya kana manda amusodi nedzera kana mara
Abaroa chiukanye.
Shaman.
Let's the beat rock.
Play.
Let's the beat rock. Chiukanye baba.
Like song in fun, you feel up a bass because I'm
I produce an album where I got some more.
Andre, shout out
to them, man.
Shout out to the producer. I told them. But yeah, like one of my favorite songs in the album. This one.
Midnight
Meditation.
Meditation.
Yes, sir. So yeah, that's it for the reaction video.
Yes, sir.